The title of the story for this week is The Law of the Splintered Paddle. This story is taken from Nā Kaʻao Kahiko. When Kamehameha I and his men were building a heiau, or a temple, for them to pray to their god, he wanted people to sacrifice to his god, Ku. In his honor, human sacrifices were made. Only men were sacrificed. Sometimes 10 men were sacrificed. It was believed if there were a lot of human sacrifices, the spiritual power would be great. One day, Kamehameha I went out to find human sacrifices. While searching for human sacrifices, they saw 2 fishermen. Kamehameha I told his men to stay where they were. Kamehameha went to catch the 2 fishermen by himself. The 2 fishermen realized that they were being chased. They started to run as Kamehameha I chased after them. As he chased the 2 fishermen, his foot got caught in the lava rocks. One of the fishermen turned around and hit Kamehameha I on the head with a paddle. The blow was so hard that the paddle was splintered. The other fisherman asked his partner, "Why did you not beat him to death?" He replied, "Because life is sacred to Kami." Kamehameha I regained consciousness and heard the 2 fishermen talking. The king knew that the fisherman could have killed him. Kamehameha realized that he was not dead and thought that life was indeed important. After he had united all of the islands into one kingdom, he put an end to the sacrificing of people. Kamehameha I proclaimed the law of the splintered paddle, which says, "Let the old men, the old women, and the children lie down by the wayside and harm them not." The end.